Good afternoon, everybody. It's a soggy Saturday in Florida. We have had monsoon season galore the last 12, 13 days. We are finally headed out to a car show. We're headed out to the Callahan Cruisers, doing their monthly cruise-in at the Hardee's restaurant in Callahan. We're going to go see what's out there. We always have a good crowd out of this event. Always something different to see. So we'll go see what we see. We'll take some video and do some updates later. And anyway, stay tuned and enjoy.
Walk around video. Yeah. Excuse me.
Anyway.
Down.
Alright guys, we just left the Callahan Cruisers cruise in for this month. We got rain, so we had to leave early. Everybody left early when it started raining. We got to get them good looking cars out of the rain. But I did get some good video. I got some good walkabouts for the vlog. So we'll try again tomorrow. We got Sunday, we got the Yulee Cars and Coffee tomorrow on Sunday in Yulee. Gonna go check them out. That's always a good show. And we should be able to get it in because it's gonna be in the morning. Before the rain starts in the evening and afternoon. Because it has been one of them times lately where it don't matter. Every day it's gonna rain in the afternoon. So anyway.
That's life in Florida.
That's Florida life, yep. So we have, onto the channel, we have moved up to 127 subscribers. I guess people are liking the short videos I've been putting on from the walkabout cam. I guess I'll do some more of those. But I'm still gonna do all my other videos like I've been doing, so you can get the car show experience. But I'm just trying to generate more followers so I can get monetized to be able to afford to go to more car shows. Further out, better car shows, bigger car shows, whatever you want to say. So make sure to share, comment, like, do all the things that tickle the algorithm and make it happy. So yeah, like I said, we got tomorrow, we got the Yulee Cars and Coffee. Next weekend, I've got a car show at the barn at Maple in Jacksonville. I've never been, never heard of it, so I don't know what it's going to look like, but I'm going to go check it out. It's the only thing going next weekend, so might as well. And here lately, it's been one of those you hit or miss on the weekends. You just don't know what's going to be and what's not going to be. So we're going to go check it out, plan to check it out. We're about to hit a busy time in the schedule. It seems like we're going to have 2-3 car shows every weekend from here till, I don't know, the end of October. So there's going to be lots of videos. I'm toying with the idea of releasing 2 videos a day, morning and afternoon, because I'm gonna have a huge backlog if I don't. So you may see a speed up of content coming out, and you may not. I don't know. I just haven't decided. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're gonna keep these videos coming to you. We're gonna keep going to the car shows as long as you keep watching. And I'll see you on the next one.